Removed Donald Trump's name from the ballot last year. It kicked off several legal challenges that ended today with a decision from the Supreme Court.
The justices ruled that Mr. Trump can stay on the ballot, not only in Colorado, but in every state that has decided that he's ineligible. CBS 8's Steve Price joins us now with a closer look at today's big decision. Steve?
Yeah, and Carlo and Marcelo, this really all centers around January 6th, the Constitution, and who has the power to make certain decisions. And in this case, the Supreme Court gave Congress power over individual states.
I want to start by thanking the Supreme Court.
It's a huge victory for Donald Trump. The Supreme Court unanimously ruled Monday that the former president will stay on the ballots of all 50 states.
I think it will go a long way toward bringing our country together, which our country needs.
The Supreme Court took up the case after Colorado, Illinois, and Maine decided Donald Trump was ineligible for the ballot in their states because of his attempts to undo his 2020 election loss, which led to the January 6th attacks on the Capitol.
I'm disappointed. It should be up to Colorado or any state to determine whether oath-breaking insurrectionists go onto our ballots.
The states argued Trump was disqualified under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which states no person shall be a senator or representative in Congress or elector of president and vice president or hold any office who took an oath and then engaged in insurrection. But in its opinion, the U.S. Supreme Court said only Congress can enforce that clause.
And the rationale here really is we don't want states to be able to do this. You heard the justices coalesce around the idea that we're very worried states could do it alone, create this kind of patchwork when it comes to federal elections.
Trump believes the decision to remove his name from the ballot was politically motivated.
Beating President Biden in almost every poll. New York Times came out yesterday with a very big poll for us. So they didn't like that, and you can't do that. You can't do what they tried to do.
Today's decision still leaves open the possibility that Congress could refuse to certify the election of a candidate who participated in insurrection.
The Supreme Court's decision today did not exonerate him. They did not say that January 6th wasn't an insurrection, and they did not say that he didn't engage in insurrection.
And after today's ruling, all three states agreed that Trump's name will appear on their ballots.